All right, middies. So there really isn't any new assignments for this week. I told you guys, if you guys read your last week's assignment, it's gonna be a 2-week block, Friday, May 1st. Many of you guys did most assignments anyway. Most of you guys did the protest organizers. You did the Google Doc and questions on that. Many of you guys did the Ed puzzle already, and a lot of you guys even started reaching out to me about the Vietnam test. So again, make sure that you guys do all of the tasks in the Vietnam unit: the stats assignment, the introduction to Vietnam, the flip grid, anything that you missed during the Vietnam unit. So check your Power School. A lot of you guys aren't checking your Power School, so check your Power School, see what you're missing. If there's anything in the Vietnam unit that you need to complete, turn it in to me. Once you do that, send me an email saying, "Hey, I finished everything. Can you share with me the Vietnam test?" So you can see by my screen here, right now I've shared with 17 people the Vietnam test. So there's a lot of you guys still who have not yet completed all the tasks yet. So again, make sure you guys, see what you're missing. Send me the email. "Hey, Myers, I completed all the assignments for Vietnam. Can I have the test?" All right, so once you do that, most of you guys should already have a lot of these tasks already done, or at least close to being done, hopefully here shortly. The rest of this week, it's going to be used to work on your Vietnam song projects. So again, if you scroll down a little bit, where's it at? Sorry guys. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see everything. You'll see a post that says Vietnam project. You'll see the lyrics. You'll see here's a Vietnam War project sign up sheet. You'll see here's the project sheet. So again, you have to scroll down a little bit, but you'll see Vietnam project just like this. April 6th. That's when I actually posted it. It was edited on April 7th. That's where you'll find all the lyrics. That's where you'll find the sign up sheet. You have the rest of this week to work on that. That's why I kind of give you guys a 2-week block here to do all these assignments, to do the test, so that way you can get that all done this week. That way, the week of April 27th through May 1st, you could use all that week to work on your projects. So again, the project, you can work with a partner, you can work by yourselves. Again, don't forget to share your document with me, or your Google Slides with me, so I have access to it. Also, if you work with a partner, share it with them as well, so you guys can both kind of co-edit that. Once you are done, let me know, and I'll start the grading process. Have fun with this, guys. Again, just some key tips for you guys to kind of help you out. If you guys go to Google and just type in the name of your song, a lot of things are going to pop up. You could probably find some cool information, some cool key facts about the artist, the meaning of the song. So use that to help you. This project should not be just all guess on what you think things mean. This is research. Now you can have your own little twist on some things, but you should be looking things up. And again, I know what all these songs mean, and I know the research behind it. So again, just make sure that you guys are taking care of business, and you guys aren't you're actually looking things up for this. Alrighty. So anyway, rest of this week is just for that. Please, please, please let me know if you have any questions. We're gonna plan on doing an online virtual meeting probably Monday or Tuesday to see if there's any questions. So please make sure you guys are able to tune into that. All right. So have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions. All this stuff is due by Friday, May 1st. Okay. Have a good day and go middies.